What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Read and pray. I try to read a little bit for pleasure and also something that is going to help me in my daily responsibilities here on the farm.
Describe your favorite place in nature.
My favorite place in nature is in the middle of a multi-species cover crop that is in full bloom. And you can see the monarch butterflies working the buckwheat, listening and watching and appreciating the natural processes that are going on all around me.
What would you say to your younger self now?
Listen more intently to your mentors. Have confidence in what you are passionate about. And my even younger self, have enough confidence to ask that cute girl next door out on a date, because she might just say yes. She did. Her name's Julie. We've been married 35 years now.
Describe your favorite meal.
This is an easy one because I enjoy eating so much. What we would call on the farm a summer supper. I'll call Julie and say, Julie, I'm going to pick some sweet corn, put on a pot of boiling water. I'll be home in 10 minutes. A nice heirloom beefsteak tomato with a little bit of sea salt and a grass-fed steak. Nothing better than a summer supper.
What's something you wish people knew about farming?
Today, less than 1% of our population is afforded that opportunity to have that direct, immediate connection to a farm. We are paying for a very cheap food system in our country today. We have the cheapest per capita spending of food in anyone in the world. And consequently, we also have the highest per capita spending on healthcare. We happen to believe that there's a direct connection to those two statistics.